Hello hamster gang, so welcome back to SAK-SOON Channel. I haven't uploaded videos of Chili for a long time, so I decided to show you some clips of Chili. If you noticed, she's in almost every DIY or craft videos. She's the curious house sparrow that always wants to participate in all the activities I do in my room. In every single videos, she usually bothers me so much, such as splashing water, packing clay, begging for food, Today you're gonna be watching video clips that wasn't really recorded for YouTube videos. It's about Sleepy Chili. Before we begin, please subscribe to SAK-SOON Channel for more fun and cute videos and gently hit the bell icon so you'll never miss any video again. And also check out my Etsy or SAK-SOON store for my cute hamster hideout creations. The links are on the video description below. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SAK-SOON Channel if you haven't. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anything on the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.